In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and practical way to turn any link or text into a scannable code directly inside your worksheet without needing extra tools. Whether you are working on reports, forms, or printable documents, this method helps you add quick access information in a clean and professional way. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and make sure you are on a blank or existing worksheet where you want the QR code to appear. Once Excel is open, move your attention to the top of the screen and click the Home tab. This is where you will find the tools needed to access additional features. On the Home ribbon, look for the Add-ins option, then click Get Add-ins. This opens the Add-ins store, which allows you to extend what Excel can do. Inside the search bar, type QR for Office and wait for the results to appear. When you see QR for Office in the list, click Add. After a short moment, Excel will make this tool available for use. Once everything is ready, a panel for QR for Office should appear on the right side of your screen. If it does not show up automatically, return to the Home tab, click Add-ins again, and select QR for Office from your list. This will open the panel manually so you can continue. Inside the QR for Office panel, you will see a field where you can type or paste the URL or text you want to turn into a QR code. This could be a website link, a document reference, or any text you want people to access quickly. Take a moment to double-check the content before moving forward. You also have the option to adjust how the QR code looks. You can change the color and adjust the size so it fits neatly into your worksheet. These options help ensure the QR code matches your document layout and remains easy to scan. When everything looks good, click Insert. Excel will place the QR code directly onto your worksheet as an image. You can move it, resize it, and position it anywhere you need, just like any other image in Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.